Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about binary coded decimal. So by the end of this video, I will make you clear about what is binary coded decimal and what is meant by a binary code and what is its difference and how this BCD is useful in solving the problem. So here itself it's very clear that binary coded decimal. So we have decimal numbers of base 10 and binary system of base 2. We are converting all these decimal numbers into binary numbers. This is called binary coded decimal. Okay, so now let us try to see here. So what are the possibilities we are going to have? So generally, let us try to take. So we are having some four inputs. Okay. So 2 to the power 4, we are going to have 16 possibilities of writing. Let's try to check it. What is this actually means? Okay. So at one side, let us try to write down the decimal numbers, and the next side you are going to write down the BCD numbers, which is called binary coded decimal. So how to write BCD values is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, as well as 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 0 is how much? 1. 2 to the power 1 is how much? 2. 2 to the power 2 is how much? 4. 2 to the power 3 is how much? 8. Okay. So when you add all these values, which is nothing but 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. Okay. So 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. 12 plus 2 is how much? 14. So totally how many are possible? 15 are possible. Okay, now let us try to start doing this. Okay, so the decimal numbers of our base 10, the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But here the valid BCDs are only up to 9. Okay, now let us try to check here. So 0 to 9 we are going to have 10 decimal numbers, and these 0 to 9 are only called as an valid BCD numbers. So these are called valid. So here also you'll get where these are called invalid BCD numbers. Let's try to check how it works. So 0 I have tried down. This is base 10 and these are 8421 code, which is called binary coded. So binary values you are going to code it and decimal. So how to write down 0? So 0 means 0 0 0 0. So now when you expand it, this is nothing but 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 1. All are zeros, automatically 0. How to write this 1? So 1 we can write down 0 0 0 1. Same, 0 into 8 plus 0 into 4 plus 0 into 2, 1 into 1. So this is nothing but 1 into 1, you will get it as 1. So like this, each binary bit you have to multiply with the weight of this corresponding weight and you add. Okay, so binary bit into the weight and you add, continuously do it, then you will get this value. How to write down 2? 2 we can write down it as 0 0 1 0. How to write down 3? 0 0 1 1. So like this we can write down up to 3. How to write down 4? 0 1 0 0. 4 you can write down. How to write down 5? 0 1 0 1. This is nothing but how to write down 5. How to write down 6? 0 1 1 0. How to write down 7? 0 1 1 1. How to write down 8? 1 0 0 0. How to write down 9? 1 0 0 1. So this is how we 0 to 9, 10 numbers are there where these are called valid BCD. The remaining 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, these 6 are generally not valid in BCD. Okay, so there's no need to write down. If write also it's like meaningless. So this is how we have a valid BCD codes. Now let us try to see what are the advantages of BCD. Okay, so basically here each decimal number we are representing in 4 bits. Okay, so this is nothing but how we convert the decimal number into 4-bit binary numbers. Okay, now coming to see the advantages, this is very similar to that of, so how we have written this decimal, this is very similar. Okay, BCD is very similar to that of the decimal numbers. How we have written here, just by multiplying the weights of these binary numbers, we will get the decimal number. Okay, so we need to remember. So if anyone says 4, you have to remember 0 1 0 0. So if anyone says this, you have to remember the equivalent BCD code. Okay, this is very easy to remember also. That's what the advantage. Coming to the disadvantage, when you write down a decimal number in BCD, so the addition of BCD. Okay, so if you want to add two BCD numbers, it's very tough. Subtraction of BCD is also tough. Multiplication as well as division. Okay, so the arithmetic operations of BCD is very complicated. Okay, this is the main drawback. Okay, we have different methods to perform addition of BCD, subtraction of BCD, division of BCD, and multiplication, which is an complex task. Okay, and moreover BCD is, it is very much less efficient than compared to binary system. Okay, so and coming to the application, the if you want to design anything here, this is very complex to design. Why? Because we require more ones and zeros to consider. Therefore, where we can use this BCD generally. Okay, so the applications which are very less cost, like digital clocks, we can use BCD, as well as in calculators. So the basic calculators what you use for domestic purpose also will use BCD, and digital clocks also will use BCD, and display the time display systems also use the binary coded decimal. So these are all the applications of BCD, and the disadvantages, multiplication, division is very complex, sir. And this very simple way of converting a decimal number into binary coded decimal, and BCD require 4 bits. So here we require 4 bits of converting a decimal number into binary number. So this is all about binary coded decimal. So now in the next class, we'll try to discuss about what is the difference between BCD versus the binary code, and what is the main difference and which is good. Okay. So thank you for your time. If you feel my lecture is useful, please like the video and share this video to your friends, those who are studying this subject of B triple E. And if you feel my content is useful, or if you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. And still, if you're watching my channel without subscribing, subscribe to my channel with the name kvthulasi. Thank you for your time. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.